There is a new feature in Canva that will save your life. With this new feature, you can find text on a Canva document and replace it. Let's say you have a 16 pages presentation and you want to change the word July for August. Instead of changing each word manually, you can change them all with just one click. Let me show you how it looks on a computer. Go to File and select Find and Replace Text, or simply hit Ctrl F. Type the text that you want to find. You can filter the search so it matches the case you have entered. When the search matches your text, you can replace it with a different text. And you can also have the option to replace a particular match by selecting Replace, or you can replace all by selecting this button. On a mobile phone, it looks like this. Select the three dots on the navigation bar on top, select Find and Replace Text. It is missing the Match Case filter, but otherwise it works just like the desktop version.